Hello guys, welcome to the HW tutorial. Today we will make 5 fitting channel, then click file, then press new, click part, okay, then choose front plane, then click sketch, then choose command line, then draw 2D like this, and here to here, then it, it's so we are complete the sketch, then provide the distance, smart dimension and relation. So this line and this line is equal, and this line also equal, and this today this line also equal. All is before provide the smart dimension, we provide the relation, all relation, then it's completely related to the sketch. So now provide two smart dimension. This is the center line, choose here, provide smart dimension, then this to this is the 450 mm, and this value is 264 mm, and this 328 mm. Then this is the only vertical line, it's 50 mm. Then this is the 194 mm. Now we are sketch is under defined it, so we need to complete fully defined it. This is provide to the 240 mm, and this here to origin value 220 mm. Now we are sketch is fully defined it, so we activate the revolve command. This is automatically close the all boundary, then provide like this. This is the 360 view, then press OK. Now we are sketched like this. So again choose front plane, then click sketch, then click to the circle, draw to the origin, then click OK, choose smart dimension, then the circle of the diameter is 194, and circle point to the origin distance is 290. This is not fully defined because it's not provide dimension, so circle point and origin it's horizontal dimension. Now it's fully defined, then click feature, then click extrude boss, and this 5, then here is mid plane, then click 560, then click OK. Now its profile like this. Now will be make flange, then click this face, choose sketch command, then click circle to the draw for this circle origin, then 1, and again click circle to the provide dimension, it's 390 and it's 300 mm. Then this is the circle PCD diameter, then click concentric geometry, then click again circle of this PCD, and click and provide to the dimension, it's 20 mm. And now click linear sketch pattern, but now we have in circular shape, then click circular sketch pattern, click pattern, linear pattern object, then click this and point, origin point. Click this and origin. Now we have this. So we need to the 8 circle, so we provide to the 8 value, then click OK. This is not fully defined because it's not origin at the matching. This is, see this, please click this circle origin and this, and not providing, again trying this and this point, please make coincident, then click OK. Now it's fully defined sketch. Then click feature command and click extrude boss. Now it's blind when one-sided, then it's 40 mm distance to the opposite side, then click OK. Now we have flange. I think it's good. Then we need to this flange in other direction too, so we click mirror command, then click, we need to any plane sketch to the middle of this, then we click to the front plane, and this is the feature, so we click the extrude boss feature, then click OK. Then so we have 2 planes, so other position, so we now have 2 other profile pipe fitting. We need to align in each other, so we choose the right plane, then click sketch, so we have this shape. Click draw circle tool to the origin, provide dimension, so it's 194, again in starting to the click feature, then click extrude boss. Now we need to extrude boss up to surface, so we here up to body, up to surface, up we need to sketch, then this we need to here and click here, this is like this, and not here, blind, up to surface, yes, up to surface, here to here, then click OK. This is the like this shape, you need to try to like this, then click it in front plane, click OK, then press circle tool to this origin, and I also 190 mm, click OK, then click feature and extrude cut command up to both all, then this is the extrude cut body like this. This is awesome, it's looking very good. And also here, this is the right plane, click sketch and draw to the circle to his origin and provide same value after this 190, then it's click feature, then extrude cut up to surface like here, so not here, 1 minute, just not, we defined the blind value, it's 190, opposite side 95, and again 30 mm, then click OK. So we have shape like this, it's cool, these are one value. So again click this face to the sketch and draw to the circle for whole PCD. This value is 130, not 300, it's 370 mm. Then we need to, this is concentric geometry, then click here, then click concentric geometry, then click again circle to the 20 mm diameter, then provide a smart dimension, then click 20 mm. It's total, it's 40 mm. Yes. Then click again circular sketch pattern, provide to the center, and this sketch here or object 8 quantity 8 item, then click OK. It's not again fully defined, but we have, then click its origin, and click matte concentric. This is fully defined sketch, then click feature, then click extrude cut, then it's extrude, then click value, it's 50 mm, then it's cool, it's 60, then click OK, and now we have flange like this. We need to mirror opposite side, but we have an error, this because it's not same, this is different, so we need to sketch pattern, but we have shortcut convert entity. Click here, then click all circle, then 1 2 3 with shift 4 5 6 7 8, then click convert entity. It's cool. So we have this without any provide dimension, then click feature, then click extrude cut, it's 60 mm. We have 8 value, then click here, it's another fundamental, then click 8 profile selected, then click extrude cut. We have all extrude cut safe here. Now we have, this is solid body. We need to hollow part this and this because water flow on here to here, so we used to revolve cut. So we make to the create sketch on front plane, then choose line, so it's here in mid plane to mid plane, then here like this, because it's create thickness desired property. So put the relation on here to here, this is equal, and this also equal relation, and here make to the, then provide to the dimension before its concentric geometry, then provide dimension that here to here, it's 200 mm, and here mid to the 264 mm, and this mid plane is the, it's over defined, then skip button, then press again smart dimension, then it's 130 mm. Now it's not fully defined because it's not in middle, so we have many options, then easy to use center line option, then mid plane to the here mid plane, it's not horizontal not vertical, it's create horizontal, then it's completely underdefined the sketch, then click feature, then use revolve cut, it's automatically closed sketch, then use center line, and here this is revolve cut. Okay, please, then here it's already cut, then we need to see in section view, here it's like this, then we need to do some modification in this sketch, and here to use chamfer to the 5 and 45 degree, for and here and then here and this edge and all around flange. We have 4 flange in this model, so we click and create, then OK. So it's looking good because it's create flange. Then we need to again chamfer tool, then use to and flange edge. Click here and this face and this. Click OK. Yes, it's looking good. And here to need to closely joint, so the use flat command. Use OK. It's here 10 mm. It's use C to the welding line. OK, then it's good. And again use flat command and here and this also. Then click OK. It's look good. We know too many type modification. Here as your wish. Then property, I think it's suitable. Then click here and here. So it's good, looking good. And here it's need to strength of this flange. OK, then click OK. We need to coloring in option. Click here, appearance, edit appearance, or here, both of option, but we need to see, click this and provide the money of color and black and white and money option. I like this, then put we have OK to this. We have my pipe fitting tutorial is completed. It's looking very good. Awesome. Thank you. Please, if you like the video, please watch and subscribe the channel. Thank you.